Okay, so to solve a triangle, what that means is to find the missing sides and angles. Okay, so we're going to go through this first example here, and we need to first check our calculator. Remember, your calculator, because all these are in degrees, we need to check our mode. So I'm going to turn on my calculator, check my mode. I need to be in degree mode. Okay, so we're going to make a note of that. Degree mode. Okay, so here it says solve the triangle, meaning find the missing sides and angles, given the following information, and then any decimals will be the 3 decimal places. So we're given angle B, we're given angle C, and we have side C. And you notice here angle C is between 90 and 180, so this is actually an obtuse angle. So let's just make a note here, we have an obtuse angle here. Okay, so let's just draw a possible scenario. Again, you're just drawing a triangle since we have an obtuse. Okay, 95 degrees. Is this perfect? No, it's not perfect. I'm not measuring anything. This is just so that I have a potential diagram. So we're going to call this angle A, angle B, angle C. We have angle C, it's 95 degrees. Okay, so this is 95. We have, whoops, B. Okay, we have angle B, which is 45, so I'll put the 45 degrees here. We don't know what angle A is yet, but we'll find it quickly. I know you guys know that. And then we have side C, which is 5. So if we have a scenario that is an angle side, if I show you this again from the previous page, angle side, this is 2 angles and 1 non-included side. That's what we have, and this is not ambiguous, meaning there is only one triangle that's going to give us the solutions here, so this is going to be nice and simple for us. We're going to use the law of sines. So first of all, you want to find all the angles. So I can actually find angle A, okay, by taking 180 degrees minus the sum of the 2 included angles that we were given, which is 45 degrees plus 95 degrees. So that is 140. So that means angle A is 40 degrees. So I'll put 40 degrees here. Okay? So now we have all of our angles, and we actually have one side. So this is actually angle C, and if you recall, that means that this is going to be side A, and this is going to be side B. Remember, your sides are across from the angles. So what we're going to do is actually determine what our sides are, okay, and we are going to use the information that we were given first. So we were given angle C, side C, we were given angle B, so we're going to find side B. So we use the ratios, and what that is the sine of angle C over side C is equal to the sine of angle B over side B. We'll plug in what we know. So this is going to be the sine of 95 degrees divided by 5 is equal to the sine of 45 degrees divided by our unknown value of B. So we'll cross multiply to get everything out of the denominator. So that means we have B sine of 95 degrees is equal to 5 times the sine of 45 degrees. And then we will divide by the sine of 95. So B is equal to 5 sine of 45 degrees divided by the sine of 95 degrees. So here we'll do it in the calculator. 5 sine of 45 divided by the sine of 95. To 3 decimal places, because that's what we wanted, this is 3.549. So that's side B. Okay, now we need side A. You should always use the information that's provided, meaning I was given angle C and side C. If I made a mistake with side B and I use that to find side A, it will then in turn give me yet another mistake. Okay, so I'd rather only make one mistake if I make one. So let's go back to the ratio. This is going to be the sine of C over side C is equal to, now we're focusing on side A, so I need the sine of angle A over side A. Let's plug in what we know. sine of 95 degrees divided by 5 is equal to the sine of 40 degrees divided by A. Cross multiply. And divide. So side A is equal to 5 sine of 40 divided by the sine of 95 degrees. Okay, and I can actually recall, since this is very similar, you go in, second, enter, and it brings up what I've got, and I can make a change actually. So instead of 45, this is 40. So I have 5 sine of 40 over the sine of 95, 3.226. That's a standard example.